In this podcast episode, I'm going to share a little hack with you that ensures that your CV or resume will be found in relevant searches and readies the document for the automatic processes of applicant tracking systems, in short, the ATS. Hello and welcome to my podcast channel. I'm Michael Kaiser. I work as an international career coach and I help managers and specialists get the job they want with a new employer abroad. Let me start by explaining the typical challenge your CV or resume faces. Regardless of if the search is performed by a human or a computer program, you cannot rely on the other side to recognize facts that require intelligence. HR departments may have asked inexperienced interns to pre-select CVs or resumes based on the occurrence of certain keywords only, and many search engines are not yet equipped with AI that can find profiles without the need for exact matches of the keywords used. Here are two typical examples. You describe yourself as a procurement officer in your CV or resume. The person looking for suitable candidates in a database, however, uses the keyword purchasing officer for her search. As these terms don't match, your document will not be part of the listed results. Or you presented achievements in the field of search engine advertising, but a search for SEA, the acronym, would not lead to your profile in this case. These examples show that the only way not to miss out on any relevant search is to include all relevant keywords with all possible variations in your document. It would be conceivable to do so in the presentation of your work experience, etc., but that is not a good idea as it would damage the readability and professional appearance of your CV or resume. Luckily, there is only a little effort required to solve the problem. The smart way out is the use of a dedicated keyword category. Simply create an additional category in your CV or resume with a list of all relevant keywords, including possible variations and abbreviations that hiring managers are likely to use in their search. This list must be complete, of course, and should also repeat the terms you used elsewhere in the document already. Thus, you can make a quick change to the other categories of the document later without running the risk of accidentally removing an important keyword with it. Place the complete keyword list in alphabetical order and comma separated at the end of your CV or resume. Then disable the automatic hyphenation feature in your word processing software for this section. To avoid confusion, give the keyword category a proper heading such as relevant keywords for search engines. And that's it already, putting your document on the safe side. By the way, my email course, How to Write a Power CV or Resume, in addition to the many other aspects it covers, also guides you through the creation of such a dedicated keyword category step by step. Or, if you would like me to help you with creating a powerful CV or resume in person as a professional career coach, I'll be very happy to support you. If this is of interest to you, go to my website and click on the big button to apply for a free orientation call with me. In this call, we will analyze your current situation and needs in detail, and we will also find out how I can help you best to reach your goals fast. There is also our LinkedIn group for managers and specialists on the way to their dream job abroad, where you can network with others on this wonderful journey and receive further tips and tricks on the matter several times a week. If you're not a member yet, we hope to welcome you today. If you haven't subscribed to this podcast channel yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Make sure to also activate the bell in order not to miss out on any new episodes in the future. I'd appreciate it a lot if you leave me a like, as this helps others to discover this channel as well. And please leave me a comment with your thoughts, questions and suggestions for future episodes. As always, I wish you the very best for your job search abroad, and today especially for making sure that your CV or resume will be found by the right people, and I'll be back here very soon.